All right, so I'm going to start by setting up a workspace that I can work collaboratively with a team. So I'm in OnShape, and I'll click Create for a new document, Create Document. I'm going to call this Trebuchet. All right, and I'm going to click Create. The first thing you'll want to do with your document is to go ahead and share it with your other group members. So one group member would create it, one partner would create it, and then they'll go up here and click the Share button. I'm going to share this with individuals. So let's say that I was making a trebuchet and my other group member was Coach Greg. I might type in his email, which would be gNowling@pphs.purdue.edu. And I want to be able that he can edit it, not just view it. He needs to be able to make changes as well. And I can click Share. All right, that's good. If you want to add me or any of the other adult mentors involved in the class, you can as well. So if you wanted to add me, I am a.mundell@pphs.purdue.edu. You could give me just view privileges so I can see your progress, or you can give me edit privileges if you want me to be able to see the more specific steps that you've done. I promise I won't go in there and mess with all your stuff, but you could click share there. Here it says I can't share it with myself, but you get the idea. Once you're done, you can click close. At that point, all of your group members should be able to find this shared document under their OnShape if they click this tab here on the left that says shared with me. When you click here, you can see anything else that somebody else has created that they have shared with you. All right, so let me go back into my trebuchet. The next thing I would do to set this up is I would consider possibly making parts in different part studios. This isn't always a good idea, but I think when you're working in a group, it makes a little more sense to do it because that way you won't be interfering with each other. When you have your other group members working simultaneously, you'll see their little icons up here, just like it has in Google Docs, or you'll see their little icons down on these tabs at the bottom if they're working on it as well. So for instance, the first one I might call, let's rename this tab, I might call this base. And I could create my trebuchet base in this space. And let me click the plus and create a new part studio. And I might rename this one arm. Maybe I have one more. Let's create a part studio here. Let's call this basket. And that way I could have multiple group members working in different tabs simultaneously. Your assembly tab, you're going to assemble the thing after all the parts are made. I might rename this as trebuchet. All right, so that's your little communal document. It's all set up, ready to go. And that's how you would do that. All right, good luck.